Hey, you know something I realized? Mario's feet are tinier than his chest. Yeah. Why don't we just have him sit down while, fine. You know what? You could just stay out of shot. Anyway, so what did I find? Well, if you read the title, a capsule. By the way, sorry for last episode's terrible thing. Yes, Angry Birds capsule. So let's see what's inside. I found it while I was at Walmart. They have like a little arcade thing, and they have these. Let's see what we got. Oh. Looks like something I have to put together. Alright. It is looking like a pig. Okay. Shouldn't be too hard to figure out. I think it's like an eraser. Is this what it is? Yeah, is this an eraser? Assemble erasers like a 3D puzzle. Oh, okay, that's cool. Not really, I'm cool with that. So let's see. Okay, we need to put. Alright, I think the teeth would go in. Okay, that looks like the mustache. Wait, am I putting it in right? Let's see. Alright, we're doing like that. Alright. I don't even know if I'm putting it in right, to be honest. If I'm assembling it right. Might be doing it wrong. Oh, well, we'll find out when we get there. Okay, I think I finished it. What in God's name have I created? Did I put it in right? I think I did. It's a mustache pig. Yeah, it's a mustache pig, alright. A very terrifying one. Oh, man. What evil have I wrought upon this world? Alright, well, I think I can fix the eyebrows. I think I put the eyebrows in wrong. As for the eyes and nose, I think I got it in right. But seriously. You know what? I think it's going on the shelf of interesting items. Just because. You know what? It is interesting. Oh, no. I have to share I have to share a place with this freak of nature. Oi, I kick you now. I kick you now. Oh, my hip! I should have eaten so much ragout. What's his problem? Here. Well, I guess he's hopping under some interesting items. Mario? Mario? Mario, you okay? Leave me alone. I don't want to live on this planet anymore without the show of that freak. Oh, go play in this. Mamma mia! It's my new power! Bubble Man! Well, I guess he's having fun with that. And there he goes. Right. See you next time, I guess.